has been sitting up for the winter because I don't like the cold weather. We're gonna try and see if it cranks. And it is completely dead. Okay, it has to be jumped off. But you could tell all the dirt that's been sitting. It needs a good wash. Dirty, dirty, dirty. It needs a tire. And I have a complete mess in here because I am crazy. I was looking for something, could not find it. It's a very cute RV, but that's the storage. Those are my shoes. That's the storage. I completely close this screen door. I buy things that I know now are unnecessary. When you travel, only thing you really need is a suitcase. But when you travel in your home, you need extra shoes. You need a mat. You need batteries. It's going to be hot, so you need fans. These are extra fans. These are extra batteries. I just kind of went overboard with my shopping. And what I'm going to do now, I want to mop this floor. So we're going to move everything, because I was going to go through everything. But we're going to move everything from down here and put it back up there, because I was using that part as storage. We're going to put that back up there, and then today we're going to mop the floor. I'm not going to do everything in one day. I'm going to have to do it in sections because it's a lot of work. So let's get started. Okay, so the floor is clean, but what I want to do is take all that stuff down. Take all this stuff down. Like I say, I overpack. And I clean the refrigerator out, but for some reason there's these little bugs. There's no food in here, it's just baking soda. But for some reason, I have to wipe it out again. I don't know how. If it's completely sealed, how can these little bugs get in there? But anyway, we're gonna start up here and try to organize and then work down. I brought the letter from the house because that letter is really flimsy. So we're gonna use this letter right here. And by the way, we're waiting for the tow truck to come jump this truck off for us. The truck driver is here. We're about to jump start the truck. So you said these are more powerful?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
This will start that semi.
Okay. Do they sell it? They can sell those to just regular people too, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Sure
Let me see what model this is. Oh, a corn oil.
you can go to Advanced Auto or Riley's, and they sell a smaller version that's about this big.
Okay.
Once you charge it, leave it in the glove box. Never loses voltage.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Wow, that was easy. That was easy. Okay, thank you. How long you got? Let it run for how long?
15 minutes.
Okay.
We're making sure the battery comes voltage. It is charging. So you're right there.
Okay.
Now, O'Reilly Auto Parts.
Okay.
These boxes that they're going to sell you, they're about that long.
Okay.
About that thick.
Okay.
Plug it into a USB.
Okay.
Charge it. Take the box. Throw it in the glove box.
Okay.
It will sit up to 2 years with full voltage.
Okay.
And it's one of those things that's got a USB port on. You just got to charge your phone. Comes with a light.
Okay.
They're about $140.
Okay.
But
it's worth it.
This always happens in the most inopportune time.
Right.
And you saw how easy it was for me to hook it up.
Right. Okay.
Red is always positive. Ground is negative.
Right.
Always hook the positive up first, then the ground.
So do you think I need a new battery, or it was just cold?
You left something on.
Also, you think the battery's fine?
Yes, because when I powered it up, it sparked right here.
Oh, okay.
Which means something
the lights
left on.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
And I appreciate your service.
Thank you.
I saw the plate.
Okay.
Is it you or the husband?
Me, yeah. And you're a veteran too. Okay. Appreciate your service as well.
Take hard care of our own.
Right. Okay. And you said 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
That gives it enough time to restore the battery, because even though the battery is charging now, it's what they call a surface charge.
Okay.
Yes, it's 12 volts right now. But we need to get the amperage in there, because the amperage is what starts the vehicle.
Okay. All right. All right. Thank you.
You're quite welcome.
It's clean. Now look at that. Those over there dusty. I'll wash it later. I haven't driven this since October. In the dirt. We're over here at the truck stop, about to get the truck washed. It's about 30 minutes from my home. So we just come over here and just get in line. And they pretty fast too. It takes a long time. So I took everything from up here down, and then when I get back home, I'm gonna put some of this stuff in the garage, just straightening up the RV, decluttering. Look at my mirrors. My mirrors are clean, but this is the windshield. That mirror is clean too. I don't know why the windshield gets so much dirt. Dirty. But that mirror, squeaky.
Here comes some sticks and creams.
Sutzy. Another one. That's much better. $36 for the wash. So I gotta navigate through this garage. Everything out. Just take it to the garage and just sit down and just go through everything. So I've been driving around with these chairs and the table and the solar panel. But when I get somewhere, I plug it in so I don't need the solar panel. And the chairs, they always have a picnic area when you rent a place. Plus, you have the tables in here, so I don't need to drive with the chairs anymore. I had bought these and never opened them, so they're coming out. I never used these, but I'm gonna keep these. I'm gonna keep these in there just in case. So today, that's cleaned out. Everything is basically cleaned out until I get ready to go somewhere. I'm gonna close this window.